behind you, or you may get trodden upon. And beware of the cat. Look at him, legs are bendy and his knees are crossed. Look at him, dead one's obviously eggshell short. But the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Oh, touchy. Look at you, look at me, what's the matter? Is it obvious? Why do you all laugh and stop? I can see your blushing. Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you scare them off. Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flaw. Maybe they'll let me assist in giving him the chop. Now, in a moment, you will be presented to her Grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with Mandarin, and you will notice a red band of cloth around her wing. This is the highest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by both man and animal. Now, don't turn your toes in, just bow your head politely and say quack. 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 Oh! Look at him. Come on, I tell him what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long? He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're to blame. This stuff would be so boring if we all looked the same. Look at him, and we think, well, that he's not your kid. Love him as a brother. Look at him, about to go the way the dodo did. Worse than any other. He worked his line to show us that's pretty dim. He should form a solo flow. Look at him, look at me, look at you. You'll agree. Anywhere you look, there'll be the script. Then the grace of this whippoorwill. Look at me.
Am I missing? How are you bearing up? Can you spare a tear for the camera?
What? Love, this is a jaybird from America's Most Feathered. He's doing a feature. Now, which is my best side?
I heard there were rumors of primary bullying. Do you think he was abducted or simply ran to escape his prosecutors?
What are you saying?
That's good. I'll take it. Defensive yet emotional. Filled with anger. I'm getting something here.
Wait, nobody care what I
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of transmission. I'll leave the final word with Ida, dear, in case your son is watching. This has been Jaybird for America's Most Feathered, saying that if you have seen anything suspicious, from thieving magpies to missing ducklings, please give us a call. The chicks on the switchboard are waiting to patch you through. It's all yours, Ida.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear.
The likes of which we have never faced before. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This duckling's lost his mum, bless him, and we're going to find her.
All right, men, you're a great body of geese, and I have faith in every single one of you. I know you will do your best. Good luck. We're up on the wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will know no fear. do not advance barnacles. Why, they are most famous for being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Ooh, be still my quaking legs. I'm gonna be goosed. What are you doing here? What are friends for? I've come to get you. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother! You found my mother?
Of course. She sent me here to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. Listen here. My squadron has taken personal charge of this duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I would try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, what will I do? What do?
Silence and ranks!
Maybe I could be of some assistance. I'll go over to the chute, and when they're packing up for the day, I'll come tell you.
Very well, but no funny business. I know many ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot, and I'm your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Fairlane, I would like to welcome you aboard today's flight from Boggy Marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you please follow the safety procedures we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey and thank you for choosing Goose Air, with fluffy skies.
We're off to Charlie's. Dumpling is not so long. We won't be back until we find
The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
All right, men, final check. And here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You didn't think I was going to leave you here alone with a duckling. Oh no, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh,